Here's a 2016 Cadillac CTS Sedan. There's good and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, ultrasonic park assist, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Consumer Guide remarks, the cabin is impressively hushed overall. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.